Welcome to the channel, everyone. Glad to have you back. I appreciate each and every one of y'all watching these videos. I like to see more comments if possible. But it is what it is. I appreciate the view, even if you don't. Hit that thumbs up button. Also, hit that subscribe button. It's free of charge. I don't make the best content, but I do make something for y'all to watch if y'all want to watch it on a slow day or in between your other channels. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button too. And well, let me show you what we're going to do today. The old Camaro back there in the background, we got something we're gonna change up on the car. So a while back in one of my other videos I was doing, y'all may have seen where I went to go pick up a different exhaust system for this car from a club member out of our car club, Central Kentucky Camaro Club. If you live in Kentucky and you got a Camaro or Firebird, look us up on Facebook and we'll accept you there. And well, the guy that took it off his car, he put different, I think he put Bola exhaust on it. And he gave me the whole complete from the cat's back factory NPP exhaust. And I'm gonna show you that here in a minute. But I had trouble trying to find a factory NPP exhaust or factory NPP diffuser for the bumper on the car. I looked on eBay. I couldn't. Well, I did find some. They were like $188. I read the reviews on them. They did not fit good with the bumper and whatnot, and I didn't want to spend that kind of money on a diffuser. It's like 188 bucks for something I didn't even want really, because the fins on the bottom, if you notice on some of these Camaros, they got these big fins or little fins if it's a factory piece. Fins that come down through the bottom of the car. Well, the ones on eBay, they stuck out like a whole inch, and I didn't like that look. So I called the Chevy dealership, asked them if they can get one. They said they couldn't get one because the car was too old and the parts have been discontinued. So I called a different Chevy dealership. They looked it up. They gave me the part number. They said they can order it. They just got to know what year, because I guess for whatever reason, I don't know. I know there was like 3 different diffusers for these cars for the 2010 to 13. And he said there was like 3 different ones for that car, that he needed the last 8 VIN of the car, which my car didn't come with the factory MPP. Mine came with just a regular dual muffler setup. But he gave me the part number, and he said he can order it for $177. That's OE GM licensed diffuser. I was like, cool. So I was trying to find a car with that came from the MPP exhaust. I tried to get a hold of the guy that I got the exhaust from, but he works too much, so I didn't catch up with him. So I went ahead and I took that part number, got online. I forgot what website it was, but it was a GM Performance or GM something down those lines or whatnot. And I typed in the part number for it, and I'll be damned if they didn't pop up there. And the price on that was a lot cheaper than what the dealership was pricing it to me. So I wound up giving $137 for a original OEM rear diffuser, GM licensed. And all right, so what we have here is the factory MPP diffuser exhaust piece. And right there, GM genuine parts. So that is original equipment. It's not aftermarket. Not gonna have a problem with it lining up, gappage, anything like that. It's gonna bolt right up and it'll be good to go. So that's good. I'm glad I got that, because once this exhaust was given to me, that I wanted to put the MPP, because my buddy, he has a MPP on his yellow Camaro that y'all seen. We put headers and stuff on his car. Seen a few videos of mine, and he's got long tube headers, catless pipes, and his car is pretty loud. With the setup that I have on the car currently is long tube, catless, runs into an X pipe, runs into a Super Flowmaster Super 10, and straight out the back of the car. So it's got a lot of drone when you're driving down the interstate. My wife don't like it too much, so when Buddy from the car club posted this exhaust up for free, I didn't pay a dime for it. He was giving the whole exhaust away, and I could not pass that up. So here it is from the cat's back. Factory H pipe, runs back. It's got the dual mufflers, still with the valve on them here. I gotta learn, I don't know, I have to tie these open or something. I don't know, I have to look in there and see. I think that's closed right now, but anyways, we're gonna put this whole exhaust system on the car today, and we're gonna go ahead and take off the other exhaust off the car. Now, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that exhaust. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or sell it or what, but there's only a few cars that I've seen online with the center exhaust. Let me go ahead, let me do a cold start on this current exhaust, and we'll do a cold start on the other exhaust, because I got to move the car out here, and that way we can jack it up and work on it from the back side. And so let me go ahead, let me start it up, let y'all hear it. Tell me what y'all think about that current exhaust setup compared to the MPP exhaust. So this exhaust is pretty easy to take off. The only thing that's holding it are these two rubber bushings. It's done. So let me go ahead and pull this out. Alright, next thing, let's get this diffuser off the car. We're going to speed the process up. We're going to take out the screws out of it. Just like that, we took out the old one. Now this is made out of like pretty heavy rubber, poly, some kind of poly stuff. So we won't be needing this no more. This is definitely a lot heavier than the other piece. It just snaps back in place like that. So now we'll go and we'll put our screws back in the 4 spots. It's got like a self-tapper at the end. Building?
Huh?
Building? Babe.
What?
Will you come hold this up?
I do. That shirt has to be, there has to be a shirt under it. Yeah. They didn't seem to got no holes in them. Your ass looks like you've been sitting on concrete.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead, we're going to start it, and we're going to see what it sounds like co-started. That ain't very good on cold motor, but Good Lord, that damn thing is loud. Comment below, tell me what y'all think about the MPP exhaust compared to my Flowmaster and X-Pipe exhaust for the center. The wife says she hates it. I don't know why, but she liked the center exhaust, which I do too. Don't get me wrong. That's what set this car apart from any other car at a car show. I think I'm going to hang on to this exhaust. I said earlier that somebody made me an offer on it. I'll sell it, but I'm going to hang on to it. I may switch it back at some other time and maybe sell this whole exhaust system on the car and run with the center exhaust, because like I said, that is what set this car apart from all the other cars around at car shows, car events, car cruises, all that. So thanks for watching. I know I didn't film very much. My phone was dying and I didn't realize it, so I apologize on that part. But comment below, tell me what y'all think about the MPP exhaust on this car compared to the other one. Which one do y'all like? Which one would y'all like to see back on the car, or to stay with this one? Subscribe, thumbs up, comment, and we'll catch you on the next video.